are possible to him who believes. Okay, come back. Boom. 24.
And straightway the father of the child cried out and said with tears, Lord, I believe, help God mine unbelief.
Yes.
When Jesus saw that the people came running together,
Yes.
he rebuked the foul spirit,
Yes.
saying unto him, Thou dumb and deaf spirit,
Yabona uba ibingumoya lo umenza wangathethi lo mntu. Kuthiwa uzelwe enje kanti wenziwe umoya, an evil spirit. Yabona uba i-evil spirit is responsible for a lot of things esithoma ze-natural. So look at Jesus dealing with that evil spirit. Now you must deal with evil spirit as what is Roma. Correct?
Thou dumb and deaf spirit,
Yes.
I charge thee, come out of him and enter no more in him. Amen.
That what?
Dumb and deaf spirit.
What one here? And then what happened?
Charge thee, come out of him and
Yes.
enter no more.
Amen. Correct?
And the spirit cried and rent his soul
Yes.
and came out of him. And he was as one dead,
Yes.
insomuch that men said, He is dead.
Yes. 27.
But Jesus took him by the hand
Yes.
and lifted him up,
Yes.
and he arose.
Yes.
And when,
Now lapho ngosifika khona lapho besiya khona. Yes.
and when he was come into the house,
Yes.
his disciples asked him privately,
Yes.
Why could not we cast him out?
Okay, mhlawumbe wena xa uzifundela lapha ekhaya uzobona uba abadisciple bakaYesu abapostile bake bazama ukhasta idemon ngoku uYesu afikayo. Phambi kokuba uYesu afike bebezama ulikhasta but abakwazanga ulikhasta. Cela ke sifunde ke le verse 29. So uyaphendula funa, let's go.
And he said unto them, This kind can come forth by prayer and fasting.
Amen. Ngivile kahle.
Amen.
There are demons that don't come out except you fast and pray. There are stubborn situations into our lives as we try to make progress. Ube ngenza yonke into, unayo i-degree but akwenzeki. So uthi Yesu, this situation, it comes out by prayer and fasting. So kule period siyafasta mos. Again, are we fasting? Did you fast that month? Were you fasting? Were you robbing it as well? You look like a suspect. You're fun. No. I don't even think Lulu fasted. Mama ngichazele hivyo. Xa ungazofasta, there are things in your life ezifana neverse 29. This thing ofesene nayo iphuma nge-fasting ne-prayer. Zikhona into eziphuma nge-prayer, zikhona eziphuma nge-fasting ne-prayer. Thina ke kwizithanda ukudla, kwi-lovers of food, kwi-food lovers. Kuthiwa this kind come out by prayer and fasting. Fasting is to abstain from food for a certain period of time because there's a change you want to see occurring in your life. When we fast not because we don't want to eat, but we fast because we are tired of remaining with the situation. We want to see a change. So sidikiwe kubalisa amabali nge-situation. So we are taking action on the situation. Njengoba iwunyaka we-action. Sithatha ke ngoku ithatha i-drastic measures to change a drastic situation. Awukwazi utshintsha i-situation equka unyaka nonyaka ebomini bakho ucimba kuzosuke kube lula ibe walk in the park sibe siphila kwindawo ezimdaka. So we will fast again this week. And if you like, you can feast as much as you like. When eat policy, you must pay now and play later. But when you decide to fast, you will play now, but later on you will have to pay. So it's better to pay now, and then later I will play. Is it clear? We are continuing to fast, whether umdala esikolo, we are all fasting. Whether umdala esikolo, we are all fasting because we are all Jesus lovers. Oh, we are all fasting. So as now you can't fast. Ubonile moseniniva kwa fasta nezilwanya. Eyiniva ufika umprofeti uthi hey ziyaduma kuyo uThixo uxabene nani. Wathi kumkali fast everyone. Kwa fastwa inqubo kaThixo yasuka. Ngoba basithoba phambi koThixo. So ndithi ke ngoku le nto facing nayo iphuma nge-fasting ne-prayer. So the question is that will you lose an opportunity late 2 weeks to fast? Ususela situation. Okanye uzothanda ukudla okungakutshintshela imeko kunini watya uboniswa nto. Uyatya kodwa le situation isakumele. Don't you want to change? Food lover. And we will not drop it. Ungakulingi masilingeki vese kunuke kamnandi kanjani ukutya kodwa sithi uyacoka sizutya kunye sakutya. Vese kunuke kamnandi amatswere angazange nuka kamnandi xa ufasta kodwa sithi uyacoka sizawuzila. Vese kuthi umzimba ndizawufeinta masithi awuzofa kodwa uzawufeinta phela uphakame. Kodwa mina sizawufasta. Siyaqhubekela siyafasta and kule veki asiyibreak ifasting ngo-4. Amen. Ndithe siya ku-6 ndikufake egiyeni ndikupreparishela u-6 and u-6 sizawumenza. Amen. Watakekho and asizukufa uba ufeyintile uzawufeyinta uphinde uphakame. Because I am desperate to see a change in your life. I am desperate. I want to see things changing from glory to glory. They are born that is called as Pikisana now. Let's join forces together. See, push this kind comes out by prayer and fasting. Uzonyenzeleka ufaste uqumbe. Nikhona ba? Cela ngiphe ivesi ezimbili uMateyu 7. Matthew 7. Is somebody getting blessed here? Amen. Ninivile kwanta basalana bamne? Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns. Yes, He reigns. You made a way. And I'm
Was against the wall.
and it looked as if it was over. You made a way. You made a way, you made a way. I'm not gonna say that again. Because of Mark 11:23, he said I moved my mountain. So I'm gonna say I moved mountain. I caused wall to fall with your power. Hey, hey, and I'm standing only because you made. Like I said it yesterday, when I say you made a way, what I'm saying you made a way for me to be a mountain mover. That's what I'm saying. You